Who doesn't love a fruit parfait? Our breakfast parfait is yummy any time of the day. All you need is some fruit and just use what you have. You can use fresh, frozen, or canned. Just make sure if you're using canned that it's fruit in its own juice and avoid the heavy syrup. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. Today, I'm going to be using some sliced bananas, some washed sliced strawberries, and some canned mandarin oranges. I'm just going to layer the fruit into this glass. Now you can use a bowl if you like. Just put some fruit in the bottom here. Now I'm going to add some strawberries. This is going to make it really colorful and make it feel a little fancy. I'm going to add in some mandarin oranges. It's going to be so colorful. Okay, now I'm going to need to add about 1/4 of a cup of plain or vanilla yogurt. Spread that around on top. We're just going to top with some granola or whole grain cereal to give it a crunch. And that's it. You have a fruit parfait. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.